Hi, my name is David Campbell, and today I'm going to demonstrate Activity 6-18, installing and sharing a printer. Our objective, install and share a printer. So we're going to log in as the administrator. As you can see, I'm already as the administrator. So I'm going to click Start. We'll type printer. And we have the printers that are actually located within this household. So we're going to click Add a printer. Add a local printer. And we're going to go use the port. So we'll just use printer port 1. We're going to use standard TCP/IP port. We'll click Next. Now the device type. Now what we can do, we're just going to use this one. See if it has my IP address. But all we'd have to do is just do 192.168.10.15. So you just have to find the IP address that you're going to use for that printer. And then click Next. So we're just looking for the port standard. We'll just hit Next just to do a generic. Okay, so you can see it's already on. So we're just trying to get the ports. It's on the PTM port right here, which I just put on there right here. I would have to give it the IP address. So we just go through the motions right here, what we would need, and then we just change it. See, let's see if it has my HP on here. I'm looking for a 6500. It doesn't have it, so I need a disk, but I'm not going to go through that right now since I already have it here. So right here, what we can do, you can go to the share this printer, and then I just click right there, have all my information here, render print jobs on client computers, list in the directory. So we'll click the sharing tab, which we already did, and then list in the directory, and then click apply. So our printer has been published to the Active Directory. So let us just apply. So we're getting that already here. So we'll hit OK. So let's click the security tab, and we don't have to share the NTFS permissions. Well, they don't have them, so they only just have permissions only in the security tab, and they will work similar to the NTFS permissions. So it is very good for like your usernames, manage printers, deny, or special permissions, which we don't have access to. And then we've got advanced. see if we can add it here. There we got a little bit more. System 4, administrator, and then we should have some of our other local users in here. Owner. So this actually completely demonstrates activity 6-18, installing a shared printer or sharing printer. Thank you and have a great day.